Folks, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to deploy and run Docker image in Kubernetes cluster. It has 4 simple steps to follow. One is you have to pull the Docker image from the Docker Hub. Once that is done, you create the deployment. And in the third step, you expose this deployment to a certain port, means the original port of this application where it's supposed to run. Finally, you can port forward this container port to the host. Now let's make our hands dirty. Let's jump into the terminal and follow these steps. So I'm on my terminal, Docker. I'm pulling the image, Docker pull, and this is my image. Okay. So it's pulling my image. I'll let it pull. The prerequisite is Docker and Kubernetes should be installed and running, and that's what you can see here. My Docker and Kubernetes up and running here. Now this part is done. So we are able to pull the image, and now we can create the deployment for this image. Let's do that one. So here I am creating a deployment for this image, and yeah. So now the deployment, the name of the deployment is mynewdep is created. You can see that one, kubectl get deployments. Okay, so that is the deployment has been created. Now you can expose this deployment to the container port which is supposed to run this application. So we are exposing that one. Okay. Here we can run the type either LoadBalancer or the NodePort. I am using the NodePort, and so port is equal to 8090 expose deployment. So we are exposing this deployment to the port 8090 where this application is originally intended to run. That's what we are doing. Okay, here, yeah. Okay, now you can see kubectl get services. So now you see your service is running on port 8090. Now we have to do the port forward. That is the third and final step. Okay, after Docker pull image, this is the final step. Okay, I am doing the port forward. So here I am doing the port forward 8090. You can give the same host, or I am giving the different host here, 8091. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, now you can run your Spring application on port 8091. So let's do that. It's my local host, right? Local host 8091, and I have this. This is my get kana details, and hello Jenkins. These are all the different URIs which my SpringBoot application was with that. That's all. Thank you so much for listening to my video, and this primarily helps you understanding of Kubernetes cluster and Docker image before you get into the EKS, which is one of the AWS service. EKS is nothing but Elastic Kubernetes Service. Thank you so much for listening to me, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and appreciate it.